Hey y'all, in today's video from the 2024 Auto Crusade Car Show in Cumming, Georgia, I got a very, very nice 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. What an awesome car. I mean, Mustangs, Camaros, Challengers, Cudas, those are all, you know, I mean, no matter what brand you like, you have to appreciate those cars. Very cool. And this one is as nice, and nicer than the day it came from the factory. I don't think that Ford ever made one to this level. I think it's been restored. I don't think it's a survivor. Could be wrong, you know me, I don't know nothing but cool, and this is cool. 1969, 428 Cobra Jet Mach 1 Mustang. And they made more than I would have thought. They actually made 10,000 428 Cobra Jets in 69, and they made 72,000 Mach 1s. Now, if you want a rare car from that year, that's the Mustang GT. They only made 5,300 Mustang GTs. Poor sales being the reason that they only made that many. But nevertheless, rare is rare, no matter how it got there, right? But the Auto Crusade Car Show down in Cumming, Georgia, very cool event. I've been covering it for the last several years. I go down there with one of my sponsors, Concept One Pulley Systems. They're from that area. They sponsor the show, and so I go spend a few days with them, go hang out, see the show. It's on Saturday, and they always have some really nice stuff show up. And this Mustang, I mean, it's got the chalk marks on the motor. Up underneath, it's like brand new. I mean, if you're looking at history, and you know, as much as I love custom cars, I love to see them stock too. You know, you can't appreciate the custom side unless you know what they looked like when they started. And these are cars that didn't need any help aesthetically from the factory. They were cool. Performance-wise, they were cool. But man, you know, you take one and put a late model motor in it and do a few things to them, and they can become even cooler. But again, very cool. I did really be able to check one out that you know is right. One that you want to know what it looked like back in the day. That's what it looked like back in the day. And I don't know if I mentioned, this one's Gulfstream Aqua. I don't know how many they actually made in that color. But I like it. I really, really thought this was a nice car. And Dutch, y'all would want to see it. It's got 3 pedals. One of them sticks in the middle, the clock in the dash. I mean, there's just so many things I like about this car. Besides, it's refinished and restored to a very high level. And if it's not, if it's a survivor, then I apologize. But I just never imagined that Ford would make one this nice. And if somebody did the restoration on it, then I applaud you. You did a really, 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 really nice job on it. I love the black on the hood, all that being part of the Mach 1 package. But man, just very cool cars in the day, and here 2024 still a very cool car. So there you go, from the 2024 Auto Crusade Car Show in Cumming, Georgia. A very cool 1969 Mach 1 428 Cobra Jet Ford Mustang. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!